Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English practice channel.
Hi everyone, how are you today? Maybe you are cooking, driving, or just relaxing.
Yes, just relax and listen. Today we will practice English together in a simple and clear way.
And today's topic is very important, especially for IELTS learners.
That's right. Today we will talk about your hometown.
This is a very common topic in IELTS speaking, so let's practice together.
Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and it helps you improve your English every day.
All right, let's begin.
David, what is a hometown?
A hometown is the place where you were born or grew up.
Simple and clear. So it's where your life started.
Exactly.
David, where is your hometown?
My hometown is a small city in the north of my country.
That's a good answer. Short, clear, and natural.
Yes, you don't need difficult words, just speak clearly.
Here's another example. My hometown is a quiet town near the mountains. Now let's describe a hometown.
You can talk about the size, the people, or the environment.
Yes, just use simple ideas.
Here is an example. My hometown is small but beautiful. It has many parks and the people are friendly.
That sounds very natural. Not too long, not too short.
Exactly. In IELTS, clear answers are better than complicated answers.
David, what do you like about your hometown?
I like the quiet environment and the fresh air.
Nice answer. Very easy to understand.
Let me give another example. I like my hometown because it is safe and peaceful.
Oh, I almost said something in another language earlier.
That's okay. It happens to everyone.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
You can also say, I like my hometown because the people are kind.
Or, I like my hometown because it has beautiful nature.
Or, it is not crowded, so life is relaxing.
David, what is your hometown famous for?
My hometown is famous for its traditional food.
That sounds delicious. What kind of food?
Spicy noodles, very tasty.
Now I'm hungry. My hometown is famous for beautiful beaches.
My hometown is famous for its long history.
My hometown is famous for local markets. David, has your hometown changed?
Yes, it has changed a lot. There are more buildings and shops now.
Good. That's a clear answer.
You can also say, it is more modern now.
Or, it is more crowded than before.
Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions.
Speak out loud. Don't just listen.
Question 1. Where is your hometown?
Question 2. What do you like about your hometown?
Question 3. What is your hometown famous for?
Question 4. Has your hometown changed? If your answer is not perfect, that's okay.
Yes, speak slowly and clearly.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
Simple English is powerful.
David, what if someone says, my hometown is very, 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 very small?
That's a bit too much.
Yes, just say, my hometown is very small.
Here is a good full answer. My hometown is a small city. It is quiet and peaceful. The people are friendly, and I enjoy living there.
That's a perfect example for IELTS speaking. Great job today.
You practiced real IELTS speaking questions.
Keep practicing every day, even for a few minutes.
And remember, speak clearly and with confidence.
Before you go, tell us in the comments.
What is your hometown like?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.